Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Proton Calendar on your Android device step by step. A Proton Calendar is a secure, privacy-focused calendar app that helps you manage your events with end-to-end encryption and keeps your schedule synchronized across your devices. So let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone or tablet and open the Google Play Store. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type Proton Calendar, and look for the official app published by Proton AG. Next, tap the app from the search results to open its download page. Review the app details if you'd like, then tap the Install button to begin downloading and installing the application on your device. Wait for the installation to finish. The download time depends on your internet connection, so it's a good idea to stay connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or reliable mobile data until the process is complete. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch Proton Calendar. If you already have a Proton account, sign in with your username and password. If you don't have one yet, tap Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions to register for a free Proton account. After signing in, allow notifications if prompted so you can receive reminders for upcoming events and appointments. You can also adjust your notification preferences later in the app settings. Finally, create your first event to make sure everything is working correctly. Your calendar will automatically sync across your devices whenever you're signed in with the same Proton account. And that's it. You now know how to install Proton Calendar on your Android device and start organizing your schedule with Proton's secure and privacy-focused calendar service. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next